it going, everybody? Today we went to Jeeptoberfest, and what did we end up getting? The Easy Tailgate Folding Table from EasyTrunk.com. And we're going to go ahead and do the installation on the 2023 JL Sahara. Yes, sirree. So let's see how this installation is going to go. It's going to be easier, it's going to be hard. Let's see the unboxing of the table. Let's see what it's gonna look like. These are the hardware. Here's the actual table. Has a Jeep design. In front, nice little easy 4x4. Clips on the bottom. Opens up. You can close it. Clips closed. You get the instructions. Part 1 in the instructions is to open the tailgate and remove the plastic panel by gently pulling on it. This panel here, I don't know if it's easy to see or not, but let's see if we can see. The panel that's up here needs to come out. You're gonna get one of these plastic pulleys here. You just take it right out, just like this. Is that easy? Comes in here. This is all factory original. And the second part of the instructions says these holes here, I don't know if you can notice them, they actually have you know, you can put screws in them. That's where the tables are going to go. The screws are in here. And these probably 3 screws here are going to go right in there. It is going to be an easy install. As you can see, here's the name of the company. On the back of the table there's 4 3M tapes, and that's going to be for when you put it on the door, it doesn't bounce and make noise. What you need to do is grab your, it comes with the alcohol pads. You're going to grab these, open it up, and exactly where it's going to hit I'm not sure, so you're just going to go ahead and take this and clean, just in case, because you're not sure where it's going to go. It comes with 4 pads, so it was not enough. Grab the other ones and clean. But just clean the whole back panel. Once you wipe it down, then you're going to come and you're going to peel these stickers off. And you're going to take one of the nut and washers that come with the package. These nut and washers actually screw on, there's holes already in here, and they just go right on there. So now you're going to just take the table, open it up, and let me move this back a little bit, and then put in the middle one first. scratch the Jeep. Try to. You gotta put the middle one in first too. Let's see. So finally got the hole, and I'm still trying to mess around with this GoPro and see. So we should be good. Now what we gotta do is tighten these. Oops, tighten the 3 bolts that we put on there. It says do not over tighten. So go ahead and tighten one. Shoot. 2 and 3, and really that is it. That's how easy the installation is. 1, 2, and 3. Comes with the bolts, comes with the tape, comes with the tool. There's nothing you have to buy. Just buy the table. Little hint, if you want the table at a good price, go to these shows. I just went to Jeeptoberfest and picked it up. Pick it up for about half the price and order it online. But if you don't go to a show, you can get it online. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay.
That's our folding security box. Here's the tailgate table that I was showing you. So it has a locking feature here, so when you give it a little press, it locks in. You don't hear any shaking or, you know, annoying rattling. Give it a little pull. Comes right out.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
And you can keep this open too.
Yeah, yep, that's what you do. Leave it open with the grills on there. Or anything. Oh yeah, it takes a good amount of weight.
Oh.
And there's no drilling holes or pre-drilled. When you pop the cap that's right there, these line up with the holes that are already in there.
Okay. How much you guys have these?
This one is $199.
$199?